morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Should be able to hear me. Yeah, looks like it. Um, okay, there we go. Probably won't do too much talking this morning on this stream, but I've got a lot of things that I've been thinking of. No trading yesterday. No trading yesterday or on Monday. I did go live on Monday. I wanted to go live yesterday, but I missed the stream. Just ended up sleeping, which um which is okay. I'm trying to build the practice of getting on the computer, getting up each morning and streaming. But and I was really kind of disappointed that I didn't go live and wasn't trading yesterday actually too. I was really planning on it. It just didn't happen. Um, and so there's a lot that I'm thinking of kind of about that, but I guess I do want to say that um, it might be a good habit in the future. I talked about it a little on Monday, not trading every single day. You don't have to. I think, if I was in a funded account and to not force myself to be trading, because sometimes if you're forcing yourself, that you might end up making bad decisions and yeah, and so basically there's two parts of it. There's the part of it where you have to be here, but then there's the other part of it where um, sometimes it's good not to trade, basically, and sometimes on days where the market is closing or is closed or there's major news coming out or you just don't feel well for that day, like it's okay to call off sick. So I was kind of having a sick day yesterday, called off. Um, but I am trying to avoid that. I'm trying to be live as much as possible, at the very least beyond the charts, and looking at the um, the market and seeing what's happening and being here, even if I don't trade. But yeah, I was really hoping to trade yesterday. Uh, just didn't end up happening. Next thing is, did reset the accounts. Um, didn't blow up the account. I knew it was going to be happening. I really wanted to get that one last trade day in yesterday. But the final balance that you saw on Friday was the final balance of the accounts. Didn't take any trades, didn't blow up or anything. Um, it's just kind of account maintenance when you trade through a prop firm or Top Step. The practice account that we're trading through, they're attached to the other accounts, and so when I was doing account maintenance, it resets and deactivates and reactivates the practice account. So fortunately, that old account is we're starting over basically. Um, so I would like to have one long-standing account, but I know all my numbers. Nothing else has changed. Um, and hopefully in the future, sometime I'll be able to have just one account that I've had for a long time. That would be really awesome to be able to collect data from and everything. And hopefully it's a funded account. But the more I've watched my own streams and stuff too, the more that I realize that I'm not ready for a funded account, and it is boring trading a practice account. Like, it's not my favorite thing. Um, being still trading a practice account, I want to move over to an XFA. I feel like I'm ready. I feel like I'm ready. I want to be trading real money and everything, but I'm really not ready. I don't think. The more that I've watched my trading and everything, um, the more times I'm not streaming, not trading, the more that I realize like that I'm not ready to be trading a full funded account. But it's okay. I think that we're getting there, making progress and everything too. And I really like what we've been doing. Um, so looking at the trading view chart, so what we're kind of actually seeing on the chart here today We've still got half an hour until open. It's gonna be like a half an hour until we place any trades, so might be boring. And I might just be chilling for a little while. I might turn off my mic here and then just be hanging out and doing other things. But I am bullish now. I've switched my bias since the inauguration, kind of like I talked about. And look at that, like that's crazy. If I was a swing trader, I would be up so much money. I talked about this last week or 2 weeks ago or something where we were looking for a break of this trend. Um, and that's exactly what happened on that day. So I think we were looking at it on Friday, Thursday or Friday. We were talking about it, where it's like if market breaks here, we could see it go up, retest, go up, and that's exactly what's happened. And now I've switched to bullish, so I'm expecting market to keep going up. It broke this first one, and if we close above here, then that's an even more long mindset, or what's it called? I'm just gonna say bullish. That's even more bullish, especially if it closes. So that's the wick. I've been trying to fix the quality of my stream too. I really want these to be in 4K evolution, not evolution, 4K resolution, so you can see things a little bit better. So that's also been kind of bothering me. It's like discouraging for trading, where it's like I don't want to go live because they can't even see what's on the screen. It's fuzzy and the resolution isn't good. But a few weeks ago I wasn't live at all. So, and 2 weeks ago I was just happy to be live, and now I'm like I don't even want to do it because the quality's not good. So, I don't know. It's all perspective and mindset. But I do want to fix the quality of the stream, and I may end up going to a recording based model where I'll just record myself trading the opening as if I am streaming and then post those recordings. Of course, that's going to take some processing and there's editing, and I'm not super familiar with that process. And I will go through that at some point where I'll start recording videos, and hopefully that helped, because on my stream layout, picture looks good. On my actual desktop, the picture looks good. I don't know why I wouldn't be able to capture and display the full desktop as it appears to me on the stream, but it's just not the case. But yeah, if the market closes above this line, I would consider that even more bullish. I would expect it to keep going up. We were targeting like 800s to 900s on the swing trade, and that played out. And I would just expect this to keep going, to be honest. I think the next target would be up here. So we'll target 21,000. Oh no, 22,000. 22,000 and 22,100. Between that range. And then past that, we'll target all-time highs. Target 22,000, 22,400, 22,300 up here, which would be, we'll target 22,500 for all-time highs. But really, we'll be just looking for the market to close above here. We might see some pullback into the open. You can't just go long. It doesn't just obviously keep going up. It's not just going to obviously come back down just because it's been going up. We'll look for our setup and follow our process. But that's kind of what we're seeing on the long term. And then I guess we could look at some smaller values, but I do like this kind of chance to short it right here. I really do want to short it. I'm like wanting to wait until the market open, but I think that I really can short it here. And it's going to pull back to here, here, here. Especially if we break below here. Nah, I'm going to wait. That's funny. We'll see. If it goes down, we were right. I could put a trade on the chart here. I really want to be particular about when I'm trading, and all this stuff right now, even if it's not like we're just in the practice account, so even if it's not profitable, then yeah, I think I've been targeting literally like super small. I gotta figure out the actual math. I've got a quick math template over here. Let's see if I've got something in my quick math that'll show it. Quick math. Oh, I can't even see. I don't have my glasses on. One contract, micros, minis. Okay, no. What's gonna be our target? We're trading 3 contracts times 3 contracts times $5 times 4 ticks 10. So we would only be targeting like 40. That would be our setup right there. It's gonna retest. Better entry might even be something like up here. Yeah, or if we're looking for longs, something like this, and we'll maybe see it retest a few times and then finally break through. Maybe it goes down. It could, what's it called? I'm gonna leave my trade box there, but it could not go higher. It could break all the way back down, end up low on the day. Market does whatever it wants. Could run all the way back down, end up closing as a like a hammer candle. Look at all these lines. Should get rid of some of these. This trade's about to hit. We're about to hit take profit. We're about to hit take profit. But it's all about while we're on the practice account, we're in that practice mindset. It's all about just being ready, for when we do take it funded. All of this is just preparation for taking it funded. So we're really just looking to take good trades, really looking to just keep our mindset in a good spot, stay focused, and really take the opportunity too, while being in a practice account, to be patient. Just practice well. I don't really know how else to say it, but that's just to take our time and only to stick to our setups. That's really what I'm trying to say, I guess. While we're in the practice account, to really focus on just trading one model, so that when we switch over to the funded, we're not all over the place. We're not, guessing what we're trading, or anything like that, where we can trade in the funded account just like we've traded in the practice account. So that was a successful trade. That would have been 600. We could have even moved that down to here, move our stop to break even now, and this would just be a free trade. And now we can look for longs too. Right now we look into market open, and we are looking for that long setup. Yeah, wait for this to pull back more. I would go short again if it does pull back. If it like goes down, pulls back up, and then goes short, we want to see this curve, this line round, right? Just like here, pulls back. Maybe we take that long here. We're looking for the same thing up here. But if it does end up breaking down, right there's the setup. We'd look for that same thing to happen up here. So it moves down to this line, could bounce, look for another short, or we'll see the curve of the moving average round out, and we'll look for to continue to take it down. See, like there, that's another sign that we might be moving down. Making this short even better. I just don't want to get into the habit of trading before the market opens. Just like I don't want my data and everything to be, it's all about the data where it's like, I don't want my data to be all trading before the market opens, unless, I'm going to plan to trade before market opens. But right now I want only trade until after the market opens, stick to specific setups, and then when I do take it funded, I'll do the exact same thing without any change. And if it doesn't work, we're in the practice account. We're in a position to where we can change things. Maybe if it doesn't work, we can say like we're only gonna trade 9 to 9:30 before the market even opens. We trade that temporary spot where you got people waking up and volume coming in, and those different things that are happening between news points of 8:30, 8:45, and 9 o'clock and 9:30. Speaking of news, we gotta check the news on the day, so we don't forget that. January 2nd. It's January 22nd. It's 9. Oops. What time is it? 9:13 a.m. right now. 9:30, we've got an earnings call. But nothing major today. At 1 o'clock, we have some bond yields coming out. 20-year bond yields. But nothing too crazy. So normal day, good normal day. I love normal days in the market too. When there's nothing major influencing the market, then we see a lot more natural price action. I don't know if you saw Netflix earnings. I might buy some Netflix because their earnings was apparently really good. About to hit take profit 2 on this trade. Also, I got a protein shake this morning. Been super sore. Been hitting the gym pretty hard recently. Kind of, not as hard as I normally go. But it's been pretty good so far. I've been focusing on nutrition, diet, and sleep a lot. I think that's what I'll be focused on for 2024, not 2025. And gotta make sure to get the protein in. And I feel like, I don't know, it's just all about getting better. Getting better over time. Because I feel like what I was going to say is that like protein used to make me kind of bloated. But I don't think I was consuming it correctly. You know, I was drinking like mass gainer shakes and it wasn't fully knowing what I was doing and stuff. But do it right. Having some protein shake is super good. Your muscles need it. For sure. Alright, I think I would cut this trade here, just take profit, but it might continue down. And we already hit take profit 1, which was at our 40 ticks, is what we've been doing. So I'm getting this off the screen. Got 15 minutes until market opens. Let's see what else there is. Let's check these charts. I've really been enjoying having a simple chart too. I like having just a blank chart to look at all this stuff. I'm thinking about changing my chart colors. There's that. I finally reorganized the TradingView charts too, so I don't have a million charts open now. I've only got 2. I got one on this other monitor that no one can see, but it's not super important. It's actually covered in tabs. I can only see a small part of it right now. But yeah, I was thinking of changing my chart colors instead of green and red. I would think I'd do green and blue. Apparently, those colors help you a lot with patience, anxiety, focus, different things. So maybe I'll do green and blue. Could be cool. This is on the 15-minute, just seeing if there's anything. If we do pull back for much larger time period, I pull back to here. This is where the market opened. Tuesday. Yeah. So this is where the market closed at, I should say. It's here. Closed at here actually, but let's draw a line here. Could be important if we do see the market pull back. If we do see maybe a gap fill, the market's going to open up here. So maybe the gap fills all the way down here, bounces or something. It's possible. Like, this is what we've done on the 4 hour. That's just freaking crazy. What's even crazier is there's not like a lot of fair value gaps that I'm seeing. There is like a small gap here. Could see some potential pullback into. is that 21,900? So maybe it goes to 21,900. It's just gone straight up since 6 o'clock. Just been going straight up since yesterday at 10 a.m. But just because it's been doing that doesn't mean it won't stop. It'll stop doing that, you know. It could just keep doing that. Man, there's a trading bot. Why the heck is there a trading bot on here? Like, I swear this is just a blank. Like, how does that even happen? How did that get here? I mean, short paid out. Look at these bots. All you gotta do is trade these bots and be fucking making money. This one seems backwards. Oh. Not that one. That one you went to make money on. Get these bots out of here. Now I've actually got to do some more research into one of the bots that we've built. See if it might be a viable long-term idea or something. There we go. I like this. Something like that. Something like that. We're getting our bull flag. Yeah, you could draw the other line here. Maybe draw the other line like here. But all you need is that. Alright, here's another short opportunity. If we see this candle continue down, close below there, there's our other short opportunity. So we're just missing tons of chances to get in and get our money and get out. Just already missed a few different trades. I'm still not getting in though. Still not getting in. Okay, but now I kind of want to get in. This is so different too. This is unlike me. Normally, I would jump in. I would be in so fast. I'd have been up here. I'd have been up here. I'd have been long out here. So be really being patient. There's like the whole thing though, where it's like I haven't placed a trade since Friday. You know, I like what? What if it doesn't work? There's all this different stuff that I think of, and it's like, what if sometimes I think I'm destined for success and greatness. Other times I think I might be destined for failure. You know, what if all of this and it doesn't work? What if I waited all this time? You know, I wait through the weekend. I don't trade Sunday. I don't trade the holiday. And I finally get to a day where I trade and I blow up. Like, it's just not successful. Could happen here today where I haven't traded in a few days and I waited all this time saw good setups, good opportunities happen. Could have already gotten in my profit, made my money already here, and I didn't. I'm waiting, and what if it doesn't work? We got 5 minutes. It's 9:25. Just hit 9:25. 9:25 in 5 seconds. Yeah, there's still a 5 second delay too between the stream and the actual time. And then what's it called? Well, that's the first yawn of the day. And then quality's still not the best. So maybe I should switch to recording it. No one's really watching the stream anyways. It's mostly just kind of easier to do both because if I recorded it, then I'd have to actually go and upload it and stuff. But you know, a big part of it, like I said, is just for me. So maybe it's better to record it in 4K quality, take less strain on my computer and stuff, and then be able to upload it in 4K. I'm gonna be watching, and I'll watch it back, see how I did. You know, it's not really meant to be copy trading, and if there's a delay, you know, there's no point in trying to copy it or watching it anyways. So we're getting a rejection off of our trend line here. We did see some movement up. Does this continue down after market open? We're gonna have a huge gap. Be good to see. It'd be good to see break to the downside. I'd get in on that for sure. Especially if we see some movement up now. I really do like to see this. See, you know that I've been thinking about a lot when I've just talked for 35 minutes straight. And I haven't even begun, to be honest. There's so much more that I've been thinking. Like, another thing was confidence, where it's like, I was feeling kind of weird just up here in the morning, talking to myself, streaming to 0 viewers and stuff. Where it's like kind of weird, you know? But fuck it, dude. Who cares? Right? Gotta do what I'm gonna do. If I'm gonna do it, gotta go all in. Don't just fucking. Don't half-ass it. Be weird if I was doing it and I was talking quietly or felt weird about it or, you know, was not confident and unsure about it. It'd be weird if I was like that. I'm just kind of moving the chart around, stuff like that. There's really even no reason to be doing any of that. I can just sit here, watch it. We got 30 seconds, we got 20 seconds until market opens. We are getting the push up. We'll see where it goes. I'm not getting in until after the market opens. If we do get long, I want to see a break above this high. Alright, 9:30. This would be a point to get long. We want to see a break above here. Shorts, we'll look for it to break back below. I'm not even going to check the actual Nasdaq chart right now, just because I really want to see how this price action goes. You know, I'm looking for shorts here. Not yet. Alright, now. Now? Not yet. It's hard to see. I like having the confirmation though. I can turn that order confirm off. Not yet. I want to see more of a curve of this MA. I want to make sure it fully rejects. We got tons of room for price to go, right? We got a huge gap to fill if it does want to break down. Look at that. We would be getting stopped out here. We'd be down so much money. I don't want to get into trades being down. Even if the trade's right, I don't want to be getting into trades, holding and drawdown, and see that trade wasn't good. So we waited. It's breaking above new all-time high. I'm going to buy. Place our stop below the high. Most we could lose is 465, and we just made our money. We just hit take profit. That easy, bro. It's that easy. And this might keep going up. I think it might just keep ripping up. I really think like people are bullish today. People want to buy. Alright, I'm getting in long again. Oh man, though it's hard for me to keep going long where I want to see pullback. So I didn't end up getting long. Not yet. Now I will. Yeah, now I'm going to. My trade's not the best there. My entry's not the best. Below the previous low. Should we move our stop to break even? I kind of want to. We're about to hit take profit though. We just flew through our take profit there. We're up $1,200 on 2 trades. Could just held that one, right? We were never even getting close to stopped out. But we're traders, not long-term investors. Pullback. We're getting pullback. Now, like, see, like, I could jump in short here, but I really haven't seen a setup to, and just close out of those trades where I don't want to be too jumpy. You know, there's going to be more opportunities to short, more opportunities to go long. It's only been 4 minutes. So, maybe I don't get on this one, but I'll get the next one. just thinking now. Thinking what I'd like to see. Um, it might break down lower. Want to retest here. Want to get it back to this moving average. And either retest it or look for it to become support or resistance. I'm so excited for the day. I can't wait to actually start this day. I've been I don't know. I've been on and off. I kind of do want to short this now. That looks bearish. To retest the low. By the low, I mean the previous high. It's not exactly a setup though. So I'm not going to get in. Really being specific about what I want to see. It's so different. It's so like unlike me, kind of. I mean, not really. I don't know. Yeah, no, but I've been feeling pretty excited about my days recently, kind of. All things considered, I feel like I'm. Ah, man. What a good trade. What a good trade right there. What a good read. I didn't catch it. Let's check our other charts. I really like using the actual index too. I really want to short this. I might have just missed out on there. Just talking about how I wanted to short it. Without ever actually getting in. Talking about all these trades without ever actually taking any. But I'm still up $1,200. Right now, I'm kind of shooting at a. Well, except for that one, I almost got short here. So I'm like at 80% right now. I'll take this long, right? Should I? I just don't want to lose money. I'll take this long all day. Gonna place our stop here. We can move our stop to break even. We're in profit. About to lose money. Oh no. I'm holding. We're down. We're so down. Continuing to hold. We might get stopped out here. I'm killing it. We hadn't hit our full stop loss. So like that's what I mean. Missing all the trades that jump in on. And we didn't even get stopped out too. I canceled it. We're still holding here. I'm gonna try to get a good trade. I know there's a good opportunity. We still wouldn't have been stopped out if I would have held that too. You know, these stop losses are calculated. We'll see what it does here. I think that it goes to new highs. So, but we'll see. We'll see. Tempting to buy here. I'm buying. Stopped out. I want to be able to see like this chart. Now I'm thinking about selling. I think I'm going to sell here. We're still like right at the MA. I think I'm going to sell. Let's see if we can get like a decent move. Could just blow up. Might just blow up here. That would be sad. Because all those good trades. Could just walked away too. A profit. Alright, now I'm moving back over to this. I'll let you know how I'll let you know how that trade progresses. But that's actually like our actual chart here. There's so much more data on this chart. We got our RSI, right? I think this has to see some pullback actually. VWAP's down here. And then this moving average, man, I don't know. It's still like we're holding on to a losing trade. We're down $1,000 right now on the trade. And this is my max loss on the day. So my personal max loss for the day is 3,000. So if this trade gets stopped out, I'll be done for the day. Which it might. It looks like it might. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm switching to long. Ah, I just got out. Okay, I'm going long. I'm long. My stop's low. My take profits previous high. So my take profits up here at 79. That's the take profit. So like you can't even see that line on the stream though, I think. I haven't really been moving my stop loss up to break even as much too anymore. We're about to, okay, there we go. We made a lot of money back. Oh, we just sold off there. It must have been shorts there. This is really difficult price action too. So there isn't a lot of good trades in this price action, which could be a good sign to be done. We're at the 15-minute mark. So my alert's going off. And I do kind of want to be done because I just want to take a shower and go back to sleep. It's been 45 minutes. I think I'm going back in short. But there hasn't been a lot of good setups. It's been difficult price action to read. Also, I think I was long in here. And that long would have worked like when it was here or something. If I had just stuck to my stop loss. If I had stuck to my stop loss, then it would have worked. I'm finding that my intuition's knowing what to do. I'm overthinking it. Ooh, my arm. Let's see. What do we see? What do we see? I'm shorting. I'm shorting for sure. Because I looked at the Heikin-Ashi. I'm not shorting. I almost shorted. Almost did a lot of trades today. But it didn't. Only taken. I've still taken like a few. Yeah. Come on, wrong button. Should we buy? It might bounce here again. New highs. I think I'm buying. Bought into it. I don't want it to run all the way back down. Wow, that was so fast. Okay, we hit take profit. Want to buy again. I'm getting out of this though. I'm not holding this one. Price has been too weird. Yeah, I got out of it. See, look at that. Might just be a sign to be done for the day. Great trader told me once that when you go in a drawdown, you come all the way back up. Just be done. We're at about time too. Sucks because I know that there was so much other opportunities if I had traded before 9:30 and stuff. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 50-50. I think I might be getting long again. I'm going long again. For new highs. To walk away today like not having made any money, in fact to have lost money, this will get me back to break even. I think I'm closing it. I'm closing it for sure. I just want to get like a good trade. None of these trades I've felt like good trades. Ah, and then it breaks to exactly where I was holding to. One more. Get one more in today. You know, there's our bear flag, something like that. Buy a bear flag, bull flag. But I should probably just be done. I can't leverage into it or anything either. But it might go like up here to 20. Yeah. Because of a pivot point. I don't know if the stream can see it. There's a pivot point up here at 2030. And so if this hits take profit, I'll be done for the day. Take it slow. Okay, never mind. it could go a lot further than that too. On the actual index, it looks like there's even more room. Still going up, it's still climbing. Bounced off 15s, we're at 20s. Could target even further up. Which I kind of want to. 26. Let's do 24. There we go. That's a good one. Probably the longest trade that I've held on stream. Alright, we hit take profit 1. And now we're hitting take profit 2. Boom. And I'm done. Holy shit, dude. That was fucking crazy. What a crazy day. Kind of felt like I deserved to end it on as a red day. That changed everything, that one trade. Yeah, made back all of our losses. We'll end it $200 up. Look at that. Yeah, and now we'll walk away. Now we'll walk away. 50-50%. A lot of trades today. How many trades? 10 trades. It's kind of normal for me. 10 trades is about right. 50-50. 50 longs, 50 shorts. Total gains, total losses. Average winner, average loser. Yeah, really interesting day. Really interesting one. 2. I think the YouTube thumbnail crops it for 3 minutes, so we'll talk for 3 more minutes and then call it a day. But really interesting one. Could look back at the chart executions, but I kind of remember there was different moves happening before the market opened, and then choppy day too. Hard to get good moves. Wasn't really seeing very many of the setups we were looking for once the market opened, and then yeah, there's a lot more on the trading view charts too, so I have to remember to use those because there's a lot more information on there. And then holding trades and sticking to stop losses. You know, I put my stop loss in specific areas for a reason, but then I'll close the trade before it actually even gets hit. And there was one instance where if I didn't close the trade, it would have been a profitable trade. But overall, I'm not unhappy. It was sticking to the moving average a lot too. So I think there was only like one trade on here that was like not a good trade. But everything else might have seemed alright. Happened really fast. Once we were in it, the next 30 minutes happened super fast. I'm exhausted. I'm tired of talking too. But, yeah, we'll have to watch it back. We'll see you tomorrow. I'll be back on here tomorrow. Ow! So it's not over. Ow. Alright, I'm gonna go though. I just fell off my chair. Hit my funny bone. Yeah, I'm so cold. It's snowing in Florida. Like, what is this world? What does it come into? And we knew it was going up too. We knew. So like that's the crazy thing to me. That's really what I want to improve on is, um, I've known where price has been going on the daily. I've been able to just know, like, it's not even. It's just kind of like common sense. I think like maybe it is. Maybe it's instinctually, intuitionally. But like I've known where price has been able to go, but in the moment I'm overthinking it and all these different types of things. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see where it goes. But I'll be back tomorrow. So we don't need to talk too much more about it. Watch the stream, watch it back, watch it a few times if you need to. And we'll be back tomorrow.